Children, today we are going to see a new lesson, Greedy Baba. Now we'll go with the scene 1. You can see how 3 ministers are sitting around the table, and you can see all it is filled with all eatables, is it not? And they are discussing about Birbal, because Birbal is becoming too popular. Emperor depends on him, and soon they will be forgotten by the emperor. So they somehow wanted to get rid of Birbal. Okay, so now you can see how all the important decision Akbar takes with the help of Birbal. So all the 3 ministers, they are not liking him. They somehow wanted to get rid of Birbal. So you can see the picture how they are thinking around, they are wandering, and how they are thinking around to get rid of Birbal. And you can see they goes with a clever plan and how to get rid. Okay, so we'll see what is their plan. Now in the scene 2, you can see how 3 ministers enter into a barber shop, is it not? And they are asking about the business, how the business is going. And you can see the barber's name is Ramu, and you can see how they are saying that they will give him a bag, 2 big bags of gold, and they have to do something. This barber has to help them. Okay, so now you can see barber is very excited about the 2 big bags of gold. So you can see now one of the minister is whispering, and you can see how they are discussing about the plan. Okay, now when he goes for the haircut tomorrow to the emperor's palace, you can see how what happens. See, now you can see how Akbar is getting his haircut, and you can see how the barber Ramu is saying that asking the emperor whether he wanted somebody to send to his heaven to visit the ancestors. So now you can see Akbar is really thrilled to know how can we send a person to heaven to know about the whereabouts of our ancestor. Oh, then you can see how barber is saying that he would send a wise person like Birbal to heaven. So you can see how he is giving an idea that he knows a magic man, and he is saying some magic words, and you can see how the chosen person, that is the Birbal, can sit on the fire. Okay, and when the fire is lit, what happens is he could immediately go with the smoke to heaven. And you can see how Akbar tells to Birbal about the plan. Okay, now Birbal knows, and he knows something is behind this. And you can see Birbal asked Akbar for 1 month time. Okay, and you can see how Birbal is also planning something. See, he asked 2 men, and he's saying that this is the place where the pyre will be set. So you can now make a tunnel to my house from the place where the pyre is. Okay, and he also asked these men not to tell this secret to anyone. Okay, now scene 5, now we'll see, and you can see these 2 men is coming out, that it was the emperor's barber Ramu who had given this idea about putting Birbal into the pyre and setting fire. Okay, so now the day came, and you can see how Birbal is escaping from the tunnel. Okay, from the pyre. Now 1 whole year is passed. Now you can see our Akbar is sitting on the throne. You have 3 ministers, and the barber is also there. So loud argument is going on, and you can see a man, guards bring out a man, and you can see him is fully filled with, his hair, his head is filled with hair, and you can see he has a long beard, and he introduced himself that he is the Birbal. Okay, now Akbar asked the guard, so it's Birbal. He is very happy because he missed Birbal so much, and you can see, and he is asking whether he has met his ancestors. Okay, now you can see, yes, yeah, and how he's, all the ancestors are they are having a good time in heaven, but except one thing they don't have. So you can see how Akbar is feeling. What is that one thing they don't have? And you can see how he says that the one you can see my long hair here, they don't have a barber there. They enjoy all the comforts of the heaven, but not a barber. So he says, he sees, look at our empress Babar Ramu, and this time we will send our barber to heaven. So now everybody are looking at our Ramu the barber. Now you can see how our Ramu is asking for forgiveness, and he is trembling in fear and explains to Akbar that he has done something wrong. So you can see how our Akbar says, see, if you tell me the truth, you will be set free. And you can see how Baba shows the three ministers. It is out of my greediness I did. And you can see how Akbar getting so angry that the three ministers have tried to kill Birbal because of their jealousy, and they wanted the three ministers to, and he banished them out of his kingdom, and he asked Birbal to forgive him. How can he, being a king, ask to believe that one can meet one's ancestor? But Birbal only gives a